You're already investing in safer construction sites. Now imagine turning every camera into an intelligent risk detection engine. Introducing viAct Video Analytics Platform, built for total construction intelligence. Choose from over 200 scenario-based AI modules covering every construction scenario from a single camera, including PPE, working at height, equipment proximity, area control, and fire detection.
All brought together in 6 powerful AI safety packages: vehicle control, ergonomics, behavioral safety, area control, PPE detection, and housekeeping.
One camera, multiple AI modules. Or deploy one AI module across multiple cameras for site-wide scalability. Trained on millions of annotated frames over 7 years, our computer vision models deliver industry-leading accuracy exceeding 90% across the majority of critical construction safety scenarios. Every detection is structured under ESG frameworks: environmental, social, and governance, enabling measurable compliance and reporting. Deployment is seamless. Choose required AI modules. Connect your existing cameras through RTSP, capture live feeds, control with alerts, reports, safety scores, and much more. You may choose cloud deployment by securely sharing your RTSP stream, or opt for local or on-prem deployment using your on-site workstation. For on-premise configurations, our team will guide you through the required infrastructure and setup specifications. All insights are unified in vHub, our enterprise management platform having safety scores and trend reports exclusively for you to know your site safety at a glimpse. With viAct, you don't just monitor sites, you measure, benchmark, and improve safety every day.